Okay, I'm going to stick a new slipper clutch on this because someone lost one of the pads. So do that. 8mm nut in the back. Take that off. This little washer there. 2 little spring washers. Yeah. Someone totally pull that whole assembly off. This little pin that goes through. Don't lose that. The new. Okay, get this off the side. I got the 5352R. It's supposed to be the upgraded clutches, or slipper clutch. So, put little pads off. Clean everything up real good. So the kit gives you a new pad. Slide that on. That one's still good. Guess I'll save that. Gives you a little aluminum. That looks like it's just little pins there they go and sit on. And that just sits right together like that. Get these out of the way. Got a little hole in the shaft. Turn it that sideways so your pin don't fall out. Grab your new pin. And slide it in the hole. Halfway. If I can get this thing to stand up. Then take that assembly, keep it together so nothing falls apart. And slide that over the pin. Looks like that one's there. Make sure everything stays together just like that. Then they give you 2 new spring washers. They're cupped. Put the cup side, then it goes out. And then the second one, cup side that it goes in. Just like that. And then put your nut on. Just hold everything together. If I, yeah. To help hold it till you get started, you take an Allen wrench, just slide it down like that. There's a little groove there. That way you can hold it and then tighten the nut up. And you just want to, and it's still loose, too loose. Then just snug it up. Then I'll back it off probably about a half a turn to start. They said you want it, for the adjustment, you want it to slip like 2 feet. So when you run it, if you don't hear it slip, just loosen it off up a little bit till it slips like 2 feet worth. Actually, I think the other one's probably better. So we'll give that a try, see what that's like. It's probably still a little too tight. Maybe I'll go another. Quarter of a turn. Choice. Yeah, see now. Actually, that might be a little too much. So I'll try that. You don't want it too tight or else you'll rip gears up or break your axles or drive shafts. Pretty simple. Fairly easy. For the nitro one, they don't want you to use that big spring you took out. They want you to use the 2 little weight or spring washers. And then for electric, they want you to use the spring. I guess we'll see how this does. So I guess I'll get this thing put back together.